Welcome to the All Academic channel, where questions matter more than answers. Every day, millions of people press one button, walk away, and trust a machine that uses radiation to heat their food. But what do people really think when they put food into a microwave? Is it safe? Does the radiation change the food? Does it destroy nutrients? And does it affect the human body in ways we don't fully understand? In this video, we will carefully examine these questions using physics, chemistry, biology, nutrition science, and international safety research. So let's begin. First, what exactly is a microwave? Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation. Microwaves belong to the electromagnetic spectrum, which also includes radio waves, infrared radiation, visible light, and X-rays. These forms of radiation differ greatly in energy, with X-rays being ionizing and microwaves being non-ionizing. The crucial scientific distinction is energy level. According to the World Health Organization and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, microwaves used in household ovens are classified as non-ionizing radiation. This means they do not carry enough energy to remove electrons from atoms, damage DNA directly, or break chemical bonds in the way ionizing radiation such as X-rays or gamma rays can. Now, how does a microwave oven actually heat food? Inside the oven, a component called a magnetron generates microwaves at a frequency of about 2.45 GHz. These microwaves are reflected by the metal walls of the oven chamber, causing them to interact repeatedly with the food inside. The metal enclosure and the perforated mesh on the door are designed to contain microwaves, a principle described in FDA and EPA safety guidelines. From a physics perspective, microwaves heat food, primarily by interacting with water molecules. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have an uneven distribution of electric charge. When exposed to a rapidly oscillating electromagnetic field, these molecules attempt to realign themselves with the changing field. This causes rapid molecular rotation. According to established microwave theory and FDA explanations, this motion leads to molecular friction, which manifests as heat. This process explains why microwave heating can be uneven. Standing wave patterns, differences in water content, and food geometry all influence how energy is absorbed. Rotating turntables are an engineering solution to reduce these effects. Now let's examine the chemistry. A common concern is whether microwave cooking changes the chemical composition of food in a unique or harmful way. Based on reviews by the FDA and food chemistry research, microwaves do not create new chemical substances, do not alter molecular structures in ways that differ fundamentally from conventional heating, and do not make food radioactive. From a chemical standpoint, microwave cooking is a method of heat transfer, not a distinct form of chemical processing. What about nutrients? Scientific studies reviewed by food safety agencies show that nutrient loss during cooking depends primarily on temperature, cooking time, and water exposure. Because microwave cooking is often faster and typically uses less water, it can preserve heat-sensitive vitamins, such as vitamin C and certain B vitamins, as well as or sometimes better than boiling or prolonged heating methods. This conclusion is supported by comparative nutrition studies and summarized in FDA guidance. Now let's turn to biology and health. The human body contains a large amount of water, which means that at sufficiently high intensities, microwaves can heat biological tissue. This is why exposure limits exist. However, international health organizations state that microwave ovens that meet safety standards do not expose users to harmful levels of radiation. Microwave ovens are designed with multiple safety mechanisms. These include metal shielding, interlocking doors, and strict limits on allowable radiation leakage. According to the FDA and EPA, the permitted leakage levels are far below those shown to produce biological harm. This brings us to cancer concerns. Major health organizations, including the National Cancer Institute, state that non-ionizing radiation, such as microwaves, does not have sufficient energy to directly damage DNA or initiate cancer through ionization. The primary known biological effect of microwave exposure is tissue heating, which is why safety standards are based on thermal thresholds, not genetic damage. Long-term studies and decades of widespread household use have not produced consistent evidence that microwave ovens, when used according to manufacturer instructions, pose a health risk to humans. This consensus is reflected in guidance from the World Health Organization, the FDA, and other regulatory bodies. So why do concerns persist? Partly because the term radiation is often associated only with high-energy hazards. In reality, radiation spans a broad spectrum, from radio waves to visible light. What determines risk is not the presence of radiation, but its energy and intensity. Let's summarize. Microwave ovens heat food by transferring energy to water molecules. They do not make food radioactive. They do not introduce unique chemical changes. When used properly, they operate within safety limits established by international health organizations. Microwave ovens are a well-studied technology, and their everyday use is supported by decades of scientific research. Science is not only found in laboratories. Sometimes, it's already sitting on your kitchen counter. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and subscribe to the All Academic channel for more science explained clearly, accurately, and without myths.